It's really loud, so I'm not going to be able to tell you much information. The truck is making a lot of noise, but let's do a walkthrough and you'll see what's happening. We're doing a vacuum truck service for a building that's under renovation. Currently cleaning out the trench drains and the giant sump. We got a wash truck going, an extra hose truck, and the vac truck. Hopefully you can still hear me. It's quite noisy in here. But basically what happened is that there is a broken pipe. The sump outlet pipe is broken, and we are just using the vacuum truck and the wash truck as a hydro excavation procedure to expose the pipe. That pipe right there, it goes that way, and apparently it's broken. That broken pipe is now exposed. Here's a quick view of what it looks like. All done by the vac truck and the wash truck working in tandem.